this is the helicopter, and it cost, not cheap, cost $49.99 for this helicopter with the remote. You will think out of the box now, and you pull this, and see, and the other side you do that, and here we are. And then you do that carefully, like that, and quickly do that, and then take care, and let's go. This is it, guys, and it's children, okay? This helicopter is only for 6 years old and 5 years old, because if you use it 1 to 2 years, baby's going to break it, and that takes a long time to get another one. So I'll show you the bus soon. This is how you land. This is how you charge it. You turn that off, and then you do this. And that should be flashing by now.